I will give you the concrete idea what's the Python script modules and packages. So before that, I hope if anyone can tell me what's Python script or what's the Python module, what's the difference between script or modules? What's script or what's module? Anything you know. Can you tell me?
Module you usually have to import before you can use it. Whereas the script is like you do all the function, everything on the Python file itself.
That's great. This is greatest answers from all the workshop I took. Yeah. Module is like you have function, you have variables, you give all the things there, but normally you only use module directly. Basically, the module and script are same at the first looking because they are all Python file. They are just like you have a text file with a suffix .py. That's it. But as Margaret said, the Python modules, you have function there. You need to import that. It's reusable. But for the Python script, you just use it. You have Python script. You don't need to know what's the things in that. You just run it. Normally, if you have IDE, you just click the run button. If you use a command line, you just say Python and give the name of this file. Maybe you have some arguments. No worries about arguments if you are not familiar with running Python in command line. So yeah, Python script, run it. Python module, you will use that. Easy. How about Python packages? That will be more complex things. I will show you code later. So if you still don't have a very concrete idea, never mind, I will show you later. But firstly, what's a Python package? Margaret, do you have an idea for Python package also?
Those are you show us our packages, like the stat, sklearn, all those are packages.
Yeah, but how about if you want to build your own packages? How you can build your own package? What's the first step?
You have to write the script first, and then I actually never done the packages myself.
Okay, that's great. Now I can show you a Python package. Oh, Margaret, one thing is here for you is not Python script first, actually Python module first. A package is a collection of Python modules. That's the thing. I will show you. Okay, now this is a machine learning class. So actually I want to now let's from Python script. Python script, we have nothing, right? We just want, now it's machine learning class. We want to train a machine learning model. I want to define a model here. I call this model like fully connected layer. Doesn't mind of this name here. It's just the terminology in neural network. Neural network is one machine learning model, so you can think as model. So I call it model now. So now I need to define a class, for this model, right? I need to define something here. I want to pass here because it will take some time to develop a real model. Yeah, define a model, and then I use a model. So I train on some data, right? So maybe you will use this code in your assignment. Maybe in week 10, you will touch on neural network. But maybe in your HD task, D task, you also want to use this, this model, right? Very likely. Even in your future career, if you are do some projects, you will use the previous models you tried in the previous projects, right? So you need this. But now what you can do is, okay, you copy paste that to another project, to another HD task and D task. That's not a good idea, right? Think about how you use sklearn. All of you use sklearn just by, okay, import sklearn, then you can use like sklearn, you know, some function, and I forgot, maybe a future extraction. You use this model, right? So all of you can use that. You don't need to copy paste this class, right? But you can use that. Basically, the same idea. This is idea of modules, Python modules and Python packages. For Python modules, we just have this one file. Let's see, I give a file called fully. Actually, I already defined one here, so I just put it here. So now I have the fully connected layer. This is Python module. Why? Why is not it is not a Python script? Because it's used for reusability. Now what I can do is I can directly import fully connected layer. Sorry, from fully connected layer, import the fully connected layer. Now I can use that, right? Now let's run it. Okay, it's good. You can reuse it, right? But if you have a lot of modules, let's say this is called fully connected layer. It's just one component of neural network. If you want to use whole neural network, you maybe use the fully connected layer. You maybe want to use transformer. You know, transformer is architecture, neural network architecture for ChatGPT. So you want to combine them together. So how you can do that? The way you do that is make a package. You put all the module together, and there exists some dependence in that. So you can just, okay, now here is a complex neural network. For module, you always need .py, right? So Python interpreter will know it's a Python module. Then you can, from fully connected layer, import fully connected layer. Then you can make a more complex model, like complex neural network. So in this complex neural network, you will use init. You will use this. You will use one layer one. Maybe you will copy. You will stack another layer. You call it layer 2, right? You can do something here, right? So that's why we need a Python package. So now you know what's Python package? It's just a directory. It's just a folder with a lot of Python modules. That's the thing. That's the thing when you the same thing as sklearn and pandas are developed. So if in the future you have a lot of Python modules, you want to combine them together, you can publish to the outside, like pandas and sklearn. Maybe it will be popular. So yeah, that's the thing. Yeah, I gave a lot of details of how to use a package in the last 2 workshops, but I think it's not necessary here because I just realized your assignment does not require you to, to do these things. So I just introduced this. In the future, I will organize my codes into Python packages. So you will learn more about how to use Python package, but you don't need to do that for your assignment. That's a good thing. But if you still very interested in that, I have a blog post for that. You will see you see a lot of challenge of using, not a lot, but a very typical challenge of using Python package is like import things. When you have independence, you need to import fully connected layer in this complex NN layer, oh, not layer, NN module. Normally what you will do something like, okay, from fully connected import, fully connected layer, seems great, let's run it. Oh, no error, all good, right? So now let me run it from script. So, and now I want to import the complex impulse. Now let me try this. I was here. Why? Yeah, that's a question for you. Now I give you answer. Put dot here. Then let's see. No problem. Oh, sorry. I still have some problem here. Fully connected layer and import fully connected layer. Do I miss something here? Let me clear it. So let me run it again. I should save this. Then I do that. Let me, oh, okay, sorry. I shouldn't. Okay, EME5, I should introduce this to you, but let me finish this. Let's see. Cannot import name complex from complex NN. Oh, because I didn't, let me define it. If I didn't define it, it can't find it. It's easy thing, right? Now you see, I will clear my command line. Let you see it works. But if I don't have this, it works here, but it does not work here. So there is some the Python import system have some inherent mechanism. Actually, I introduced these problems. This problem here. This is very typical caviar. I also give you a hint how to solve this problem, but because this is not important for this unit, I don't give you more idea for that. But just for curiosity, anyone know what's problem there? Why I define the imports this fully connected layer like this? Then I import the complex NN. It will say, okay, in here it can't import the fully connected layer. Why? Anyone know that? Just for curiosity. Oh, Anaconda. Yeah, actually, Anaconda is just like yeah, I will explain it later. Module are used inside script. Nope, module not used inside script. Okay, let me clarify module and script. Once you have module, you see this script is used to call module, right? That's the thing. Script is always the end thing. It's an ending, nothing else. But that's it. Modules. Oh, sorry. You are right. Modules are used inside script. Yeah. Yes. Script is ending, but module is not ending. Module will be used in the script. Thank you for that. Oh, good. Let me see. Not in the same folder. Sorry. What do you mean? Not in the same folder? All the modules are organized in the same folder, but the script is not in the script should be outside of the package. I'm not sure if you mean that.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Yeah.
Yeah, good. Okay, so Anaconda, yeah. I think most yeah, Anaconda is easy. What's Anaconda is just if you install it, it's like you can directly use IDE like Jupyter Notebook. You can click Jupyter, you can click the spider. What's Anaconda? Anaconda is when you install it, is let me go back to my blog, not my GitHub page. You see, normally when you use Python, you need two steps. One step you install Python. I didn't give the steps how to install Python, because I think you can do that online. You can search online. First thing, install Python. Second thing, normally you need virtual environments to separate different use case. And third thing, you need to install package. But what's Anaconda? Anaconda do all of them for you. Anaconda, if you install Anaconda, normally you have Python. Anaconda can have a virtual environments. You can set up virtual environment in Anaconda, but if you use Anaconda, I don't think you need to care about that things, because if you use Anaconda, that means that you don't use Python for a lot of projects. Because if you use Python for a lot of projects, you will feel Anaconda is not good way for you. Normally, people will get rid of Anaconda. So I just assume you always use people. Okay, let's go to the last point. Is also the most important point. Is like if you use Anaconda is will automatically install all the data science and machine learning packages for you. That's the most important things. So even though a lot of people, a lot of data scientists, a lot of machine learning engineers, they have a lot of projects, they don't need to create virtual environment and install packages for different virtual environment. Why? Because all the use cases are about machine learning and data science. So Anaconda just like very bunky things to get all the packages for you. Maybe you don't need that, but it still install that for you. So that's Anaconda. So that's why actually I seldom use Anaconda, because it's very bunky. It's not very clean. Hopefully I explained Anaconda a bit. Sorry, I can't do some hands-on things for Anaconda, because Anaconda is very intuitive interface. If you have some problem, you can come to me. I will try to debug for you, but normally it's really not my expertise. So sorry for that. I normally use Visual Studio. Oh, you use Visual Studio, that's great. And use that for Jupyter Notebook. Great. Actually, me too. I also use Jupyter Notebook in Visual Studio. That's really convenient and lightweight. Yeah, great. No. Just you have really good practice. Just keep that one. It's good habit. Okay, so anyone has any problem for these topics, for the Python script module and Python package? Nope. So I think the next topics is